Hi guys, so my name is Kanika. This is the first time that I'm actually creating this video on camera, and so today I will be talking about some of the skin products that I generally use. I mean, it was one of my friend's recommendation to actually create this video. And before I get started, I'll just quickly tell right now I'm not really wearing any makeup. It's just a little bit of balm and my eyebrow fill. It's a powder that I'm using, so I'll quickly show you. This is the powder that I'm using. This is that I picked up from Miniso, and this is called the Queen Collection Brow Powder. So this is the basic powder that I'm using right now, and a little bit of this Maybelline baby lips color. So I'm using this a little bit. It has a little tint of maroon in it. So this is how it looks. So this is the color that it has. It's like a maroon color lip balm. It's a very nice dark maroon color. So today I will be actually talking about one of the serums, a face serum actually. So before I go ahead, I would really request you to follow my channel and float it around with your friends if in case you like my channel and like my reviews. I'll put a link below in the description box as well as a link somewhere on and somewhere in or on the screen itself. So let's get started. So today I will be talking about this product called by Pixi. It's basically a Pixi skin treatment glow tonic serum. This is how the bottle looks like. Usually आपको ये सामान नहीं मिलता है इतने आराम से because this is one of the most hyped product right now in India. However, you can try your luck with Nykaa and Sephora. Sephora is another place where you can actually find this. This even has another range which of tonic, which is the holy grail product basically. And talking about this particular product, I got this from Sephora and I paid 2400 rupees for the product of 30 ml. And let me just quickly run you through. So basically, Pixi is in the market from a little while. I mean, for India, it's a new product. I think it's like since 1999. So it's a very old product. But in India, I think we started getting this product, I think 3-4 months ago. And with Sephora, I guess maybe a year ago approximately. But I just purchased this because I've read a lot about this product, and a lot of influencer as well as bloggers have been talking about this product. So I thought first I'll use this and then give my reviews. So usually my skin is actually a extremely dry skin. Adding on to that, sometime when I just wear my makeup, I would have some little dry patches in and around. So I have to uh, put a loads of cream or the base cream before I wear any makeup. So post so this is how the product looked like. It's a mint green color bottle and ये basically कांच का bottle है and इसके ऊपर बहुत प्यारा सा pink color का label है जिसके ऊपर bright it's like a golden pink color of branding of Pixi. It's a 30 ml product and it comes with a dropper like this. So the product is like an oil and a little bit of water, and the dropper helps you to apply this particular serum. And let me just quickly read through the product as well. So yeah, the details says this is a lightweight serum, gently exfoliates, hydrates and nourishes. It softens and smoothens, refines and restores radiance for smooth and balanced skin. So basically, how do you have to apply is also the direction has been given out here. So it says gently massage 2-3 drops onto clear toned face before moisturizer. You just have to clean up your face and you have to apply your favorite toner and gently massage the like 2-3 drops of it on your face. And usually before I just go ahead and read other things, I've been applying this product since approximately 20 days, And definitely when I now apply my makeup, I usually feel a huge difference. So now that the patchiness and all is little, it's not completely gone, but yes, definitely it has made a remarkable difference. So there's a caution as well on this bottle. So the caution reads out, use only as directed. So it's mentioned 2-3 drops to be used on your skin before moisturizer. So it should be doing the same, as well as it should not be contacting with your eyes. And in case you feel any sensitivity on your skin or there's some irritation, you should be actually consulting a doctor and stop using this product. Adding on to that, if in case you're wearing this in the mornings and you have a direct contact with sun, you should be wearing a proper sunscreen, because this can actually create some issues. So yeah, these are the major points. So मैं आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताती हूँ. यूजली मैं इसको रात में यूज़ करती हूँ. So, in the night, basically, your skin starts rejuvenating. Okay, so you have more cells which will help your skin to develop more. So that's why I usually recommend karungi to use this product in the night, and in the morning there are remarkable differences that you can really see in your skin. And the product actually works, because it is not a pure PR product. So I bought this myself, so I've been giving you the genuine reviews on it. So I would recommend, if in case you guys want to pick it up for dry and sensitive skin, this product does work, and that's what is my skin type. और अगर मैं सिंपल वर्ड्स में बोलूँ तो दिस प्रोडक्ट एक्चुअली हैज़ अचीव्ड व्हाट इट usually it talks about, or it actually gives you a very pretty glow in the morning. And sometimes I feel I have some open pores around my cheeks, and little bit on my nose as well, and I feel pores have started to maybe shrink up या फिर शायद tighten हो रहे हैं, but I cannot see them now as compared to the earlier times. So I had to literally put good amount of primer around my nose and my cheek area, but now post using this, I feel there is a difference. But yeah, I would recommend, if in case you face any issues with it, do consult a doctor before just try to treat it out. There could be some little tingling around the nose, around the cheeks when you have open. So the pore areas which are open, you feel a little tingling sensation there. So I sometimes feel around my cheek area, these sections I feel a little tingling, and sometimes when I'm little dehydrated, so then I feel a little bit on the outside area of my lips. Then there's a little tingling that happens on the outside areas of the lip. Or I think I don't have any other details on it, but the more I use it, I will keep on posting on my Instagram page. I hope you follow me on my Instagram page as well. Thank you so much, and I hope you subscribe this page.